Today, we will explore how scientists organize the enormous diversity of living organisms. We will connect classification to evolution, DNA evidence, and exam success. By the end of this video, everything will fit together clearly and logically. Classification is the process of grouping organisms based on features they share. This allows scientists to organize life in a meaningful and logical way. These shared features may include physical characteristics, behavior patterns where organisms live, and most importantly, DNA sequences. Classification is closely linked to evolution. Organisms that share a recent common ancestor are more closely related. As a result, closely related organisms also have more similar DNA sequences. DNA acts as strong evidence for determining relationships. DNA works like a molecular fingerprint. It reveals relationships that may not be obvious just by looking at physical features. For example, humans and chimpanzees share about 98 to 99% of their DNA, showing they are closely related. Now, let us define a species. A species is a group of organisms that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Members of the same species share similar genetic makeup and structural characteristics, which allows successful reproduction. When organisms from different species mate, the offspring is usually infertile. A mule produced from a horse and a donkey cannot reproduce. Domestic dogs belong to the same species because they can reproduce with each other and produce fertile puppies. To avoid confusion, scientists use the binomial system, which gives every organism a two-part scientific name: genus plus species. This system was developed by the Swedish scientist Carolus Linnaeus and is used worldwide. There are strict rules. The genus begins with a capital letter, the species starts with a lowercase letter, and both names are written in italics or underlined. For example, humans are called Homo sapiens, while the tiger is called Panthera tigris. Spelling and capitalization are commonly tested and must be correct. The binomial system is a universal language that avoids confusion caused by common names, which can vary between regions. Let us take a look at an exam-style question. You can pause the video and give it a try. Here are the answers to the questions. Genus is Elephas, and the species is Maximus. For part B, jaguar and leopard share the same genus. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. You can pause the video if you need more time, or rewatch to answer the questions. In summary, classification helps organize life, shows evolutionary relationships, uses DNA evidence, and applies strict naming rules. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos, including revision resources and interactive quizzes.